For rounding off edges, we recommend the DG65 ACCU CROSS Diamond Cutting Disc. The disc has a special design with sides of different construction. The 7.5mm segment on one side allows for precise and fast dry cutting. In the first step, we roughly cut away some material from our edge. This is a 20mm thick, frost-resistant porcelain stoneware terrace slab. Once the initial cuts have been made, it is time to start grinding. The 25mm segment on the front of the disc is designed for this purpose. This allows us to smoothly round off the edge and then perform chamfering on the edges. In addition to cutting and grinding tiles and porcelain stoneware, the DG65 ACCU CROSS has another special feature. It is particularly well suited for use with low-power angle grinders or cordless tools.
Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.